Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the video.
Hi, my name's Mike. I want to tell you about my 63.5 Galaxy 500. It's a 427. I bought it 3 years ago in North Carolina, and been my baby ever since. I bought it in North Carolina, and had to have the motor rebuilt, put a new 5-speed transmission in it, put a new rear end, 390, new axles, new tires, had it undercoated. Just about everything you could think of, all new wiring.
And then why this make and brand?
All right, I had, back in 65, back in 63, my brother bought a 63.5 Galaxy 500, 427 back then. And he raced it a year later at the amphitheater in Chicago. And he beat everything out there. And then 2 years later, I bought a 63 Galaxy just like this one. And it was a 390. And I cherished that car. I mean, I loved it. I had a lot of fun with it. And then I got married and sold it. So
there you go. So where are we at? Where are you showing the car off right now?
Oh, I'm in Morris, Illinois. Great show. Great. I mean, as you can see, the car is coming in. It's a steady line like this all night. And this is the greatest show to show off the car that you got.
Right. Speaking of which, have you won awards yet on this?
The what?
Have you won awards?
Yeah, I've won. As soon as the first time I showed it, I won first place.
And tell me about this front end and the chrome and the detail.
Actually, the chrome looked just like that when I bought it. Everything, the outside looked just great. Under the hood looked good. It was all painted. It's just that it needed work on the motor and the rear end. It needed work.
Speaking of which, can we see the motor? Oh wow!
Yeah, it's a 427. It's a stroker motor. It's 482 cubic inch with a single 4-barrel, which is the Q code, and completely rebuilt.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. What kind of injection carburetor?
Carburetor, it's a 950. It's got the full cast iron long tube headers from the factory. Basically, it's a factory car with some modifications to the motor.
Dressed up, right?
Yeah.
Right. That is nice. How does it drive?
Oh, it drives wonderful, like a Cadillac. Rides great.
Right. Now I know you have a muscle car, and how does this perform compared to?
That's well, the other one is a newer car. It's a 2010 Mustang. It's got air conditioning. This one doesn't. So, but as long as this thing is running, the Mustang is in the garage undercover. So
there you go.
Because I love driving this thing.
There you go. And talk to me about the interior too.
The interior is the one that I had back in the day was XL. This one is a bench seat. It's just a 500.
Nice.
It's got a digital dash.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Really?
Here, I'll show you.
Okay. Oh, that is nice.
Yeah. The
nice.
shift light is blinking.
Right. Wow, I wish we had that back in the day.
I know.
You know?
Yeah, I wish we did too.
Remember all the squinting you would have to do to find, see what you.
But At one time, I had 3 gauges right in here to take the place of this.
Right.
And when the guy mentioned to me that all the wiring, you know, is so bad, and the gauges were so wore out, so I said, okay, we'll put the new gash in.
Right.
And I had to get rid of them gauges. But it looks good, you know, just being stock. It looks like stock.
With all the money that you put into cars, how many people could you have sent off to college?
Yeah, that's about it. Yeah.
What is the coolest thing that you like about the car?
Everything. The body style. The fact that every time I get in the car, I'm back in 1965. So it's great.
There you go. And then do you have any friends here today?
Oh yeah. This guy here, Roger, Dave, Bob.
There you go.
Yeah.
Cool. And then so are you almost all done?
Just about, yeah. The only thing left is kind of dial in the carburetor and put a new fuel pump in. That's about it.
There you go.
And then everything will be brand new.
And do you go to any drive-ins with the wife? And
Well, I don't have a wife, so I do go to anywhere I want.
freedom, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
No, it's great. Everywhere I go, people, you know, it surprises me how many people had one back then, and they talk about it.
Right.
You know, they said, man, this thing brings back so many memories.
Because you don't see so many,
No.
and it's a classic.
No, down south, you'll see these like you do Chevys here.
Oh, really?
You know,
Really?
but here you don't see these.
Right. Wow.
Well, that's about it about my car. Appreciate you guys you coming over here and videotaping it, and all you viewers out there, thanks for watching it.
welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video and don't forget to subscribe.